Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a classic with a modern twist, the 2025 Ford Festiva. This little legend has made a surprising comeback, and it's got more than a few updates that might just make it your next favorite compact car. The 2025 Festiva keeps its signature small car charm but adds a fresh and sporty edge. It's still compact, nimble, and affordable, perfect for city driving and tight parking spaces. But Ford didn't just bring it back for nostalgia, they've re-engineered it for today's needs. The new model features a sleeker body, sharper lines, and LED headlights that give it a bold presence despite its size. Under the hood, it offers a fuel-efficient 1.2L turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that delivers enough power for daily driving while keeping fuel costs low. There's also a mild hybrid option for those who want even more efficiency without switching to a fully electric car. It's smooth, quiet, and surprisingly quick for its size, making it a fun little ride for urban commutes. Inside, the 2025 Festiva comes with a much-needed tech upgrade. A 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, along with Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports for your devices. The interior materials are improved too. Soft touch surfaces, comfortable seats, and smart storage solutions help make the most of the compact space. Safety-wise, Ford has equipped the Festiva with essentials like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera, and blind spot monitoring in higher trims. It may be small, but it's built with safety and modern driving in mind. One of the best things about the Festiva is its price. It's designed to be affordable for first-time buyers, students, or anyone who wants reliable transportation without breaking the bank. With low maintenance costs and great fuel economy, it's easy on your wallet in the long run too. So, if you're looking for a smart, stylish, and practical ride in 2025, the new Ford Festiva might just surprise you. It proves that good things really do come in small packages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.